Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a super quick tutorial and review on my experience with the Beautyblender, and it is the brand new Sapphire limited edition style. It is a jewel toned kind of bluish shade, and it retails for $20 for one. And I just want to mention, I know I am very late in the game, and this is my very first time using the Beautyblender in general, so I definitely have a strong opinion about it. It is like the Tempur-Pedic of all makeup applicators. It feels amazing. It's so soft. It actually has the most unique texture and feeling that I've ever tried, and I've used so many makeup sponges and applicators out there, and this is definitely so luxurious feeling, and it just conforms to your skin, it comforts your skin, and I cannot believe myself. So this is a close-up and quick tutorial on how it looks and blends out concealers and foundation, and obviously you can see even close up, it definitely seamlessly smooths out everything in such a wonderful feeling kind of way and look. I'm so happy I decided to purchase it and grab it right away. It is formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. And yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out. If you've never tried the Beautyblender like myself, then you are totally missing out. So go grab one right now, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.